it's so pretty back here.
My soul needs a little nature.
So today I'm headed to Piney Lake. This is the postcard of Vail. This is the most beautiful place to be in the summer. Funny story, I learned how to drive a stick shift car back here. A friend of mine drove me out here and we had nothing to do, and I was like, yeah, I don't know how to drive. We switched spots and it's just like a straight dirt road. All right, we made it. I have such great memories here at Piney Lake. Last summer I was here with some friends. I had this giant pink flamingo flotation and it was awesome. Where's the sun? Come on out. All right. Okay, so I just got on the water and of course it started raining. Little rain never hurt anybody. It's pouring, absolutely pouring. And okay, the wind is picking up. I gotta get back. There you go. All right, cleaned. Okay, I gotta go back. Well, this is lovely. Survival mode. This is the world saying stay home. Even if you can be in outdoors, socially distanced and wear a mask. Ugh. Nothing like adventuring in the rain. This got so much worse. Man, Colorado, the weather changes in 5 seconds. Goes from winter to summer to spring, fall, all in one swoop. Ah, nature, I've missed you. Ah, it's just breathtaking here, truly. So this back here is the Gore Range, and you can see it from all different places in Vail. It's always stunning. This is paradise.